The initial idea from the vacuum cleaner comes from the broom, and the broom can handle most of the cleaning work until the invention of carpet. Cleaning carpet is really a tough thing to do at the beginning of 19th century, and many housemaids cannot stop to coughing due to the dust they breathe in while cleaning the carpet. So I thought maybe that's why the first vacuum cleaner is also called the carpet sweeper, which is specifically designed for cleaning the carpet. The inventor of this machine is Daniel Hess, which is initially an engineer. He basically constructed a machine which can suck in dust while not consider whether it can actually be used by people. The result is obvious. The machine is really hard to use. However, the working principle of this machine is a great innovation, which has been inherited by the people next to him. The next improver of vacuum cleaner is John Thurman, who acted more like a businessman. He introduced gasoline as a power source to power the machine. It soon became so famous, and he even charged $4 for one visit to the machine and make profit from it. The vacuum cleaner works in the form of sucking the air outside instead of blow in until 1901, when Herbert Cecil Booth invented the Puffling Bailey. The reason that this newly improved vacuum cleaner was invented is because that Booth got the inspiration from the Thermos machine at the Empire Music Hall in London, and he is not willing to be confined to the existing facts, and he saw that vacuum cleaner could be worked in another way and willing to think out of the box. So I thought I might call him the reverse thinker, which is really precious and valuable. James Gregory Spangler in 1907 is also a man with interesting story. He is actually a janitor who is responsible for tidying up the carpet in the basement of a hotel. He got serious cough as a result of dust generated, so he is urgent to create something that is more efficient to clean the dust on the carpet. Suddenly, he saw the fan on the ceiling and thought, why not use a motor inside the fan to push the dust into the container? Then he did it using the pillowcase. That's where the great invention comes from. I thought it is an interesting story because in this case, the boundary between the designer and the user is vague, and the designer itself is also the user, who gain benefit from the design. So I call him the beneficiary. What's more, he held his patent to Hoover Company and achieved mass production, earned a lot of money as well. The core technology of vacuum cleaner has not changed dramatically from 19th century when it is firstly emerged to now. The basic working principle is the same, while designers have been trying to improve it from many different aspects, like efficiency, noise, and so on. Like David Ulrich, he is one of the typical improver who reduced the weight and size of the vacuum cleaner to make the product easy for people to use. The new generation of vacuum cleaner can be said to emerge in 2002, which is the cleaning robot. The invention of this cleaning robot must be based on the new technology. It means cleaning no longer needs involvement of human, and means the advent of the age of artificial intelligence. For the future prediction, besides the common ones like customization, portability, and styling design, I also made two predictions based on my research. The first one is that increasing number of enterprises will emerge based on the new technologies they have. The whole company will become bigger based on this core tech, like the famous company Dyson and its core tech cyclonic technology. The second prediction is the trend of Internet of Everything. It is like all other intelligent households. They will all be connected by a simple device, like smartphone or control panel. You can let them work for you every time and everywhere you want.